Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make green beans with shiitake mushroom. So the first you have to cut these green beans out. You know the green beans. You just need about half a pound or so. Just that much. So you take off the both sides, both end, both side like that. So that's what we're gonna use. And also we're gonna use the shiitake mushroom. You don't need the middle piece here. And you cut them slice. And we use about a little bit over half a pound. Then after the boiling, so you put a little bit of oil in it. Then you put the green beans in it. So you cook it for like a few minutes. You can see the color getting darker. Sometimes you're getting the grilled good tender green young beans and they're easy to cook. So you cook it for a little bit, then you take one up and check it, you know. It's still pretty tough. It's been a couple minutes, so it's, you know, it should be done. So you can just pick one up and kind of, you know, you can see that they're pretty good. So they bend it pretty good, see, like that. So you drain the water. Then we start cooking the beans and the mushroom. And you turn it on medium heat, so you don't, because it take kind of slowly cook, you know, the mushroom. Heat up the pan, and so we're gonna put some oil in it. We put about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. 1 teaspoon of garlic in it. Teaspoon of ginger paste. After that, we're gonna put some chop up sliced onions in it. And also some chop up carrots. Strip carrots. Kind of lower the heat, kind of medium, because you don't want to burn the garlic, because the garlic will easy to burn. Take little time to cook it. And now you can add the mushroom in it. Okay, then we turn the heat higher. Yeah, the mushroom will kind of take time to cook, and when they get cooked, and they will get some juice coming out of them, and then more easy to cook, you know, because they got some juice. And if they don't get that many juice, we can just add some chicken broth or water in it. Yeah, you can see they kind of look cooking down a little bit. Okay, then we're gonna put some little salt in it. And some white pepper. After that, we're gonna turn the heat in the medium. Then you put the green beans in it. Alright, then we're gonna put some cooking wine in it. One. Here, put 3 tablespoons of cooking cherry cooking wine. And a teaspoon of soy sauce. and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. So we're gonna put some little water in it. 4 tablespoons of water. So this will let it kind of cook through, you know. And we'll cook a little bit. Okay, you let it sit for cook for like 3 minutes. You want to make it kind of the sauce a little bit thicker, so we use some couple tablespoons of water and one tablespoon of cornstarch, and that make it kind of just need a little bit, so thicken that, and that's it. All right, then we can pick this up. Okay, this is stir-fried green beans and shiitake mushroom.